My start in exercise oncology came from the fact that I was originally trained in exercise and cardiovascular disease, exercise and metabolism, energy balance, obesity prevention, and I thought that's what I was going to do for my whole career. And I was a little concerned about the fact that I felt like the big questions had already been answered. And I saw clearly in 1999 that this was an opportunity to be a part of a brand new field, to make big leaps forward, and we have indeed. So truly, I came into the field at the baby beginning, and it has been a wild ride to see exercise oncology be named and to become the powerful field that it's become. I lead a group at Penn State called the One Group, Oncology, Nutrition, and Exercise. And during the time of the coronavirus pandemic, we realized that things were really shifting for people living with and beyond cancer. And we decided that it might be useful to folks if we could create some online virtual exercise content. And so we've created a website that includes over 60 exercise videos and workout of the week. There's 4 different workouts of the week, so you can follow along with that. And so there's inspiration, and there's information, and there's programming. So I would commend our website. Actually, the project that Pat, Help, and Murphy helped with, which was called Nurse AMIE, which is a tablet-based intervention for metastatic breast cancer patients. It includes exercise, but it's not just about exercise. And my most rewarding moment is that the medical oncologists at Penn State have come back to me and said, we think this would be useful for our patients and we want it now. So to have clinicians come to me and say something that I have done, that I have developed, would be useful for their patients is the biggest reward I could possibly ask for. Honestly, I don't think I know what my greatest accomplishments are yet, because I'm pretty sure my greatest accomplishments are going to come from my mentees. One of the things that I value most about being an academic is that I get to work with some really brilliant young minds, and one of the greatest joys is that you don't know if you're working with the next Einstein, the next Mitch Schnall, you don't know who you're working with, who is going to make an enormous difference in the field. If you are able to do 10 minutes every other day, that's better than not doing 10 minutes every other day. Figure out something that you enjoy doing. That is huge. It makes such a difference. I'm so proud of you. Look at what you've done. Look at how far you've come. I am so proud of you. Keep going.